Hello friends, so in this session we will solve questions related to thermodynamics. Okay, so these are very most of the times it will be asked, and if you learn solving this type of questions, then you will definitely solve any of the questions related to thermodynamics. Okay, so let us quickly start with the session. So before that, I request you to please watch the entire session so that you will not miss out any important point which you need to understand. Okay, so one more thing is, if you know this, then you can solve any of the question related to thermodynamics. So usually the question related to thermodynamics will be little bit tricky. Okay, so you have to pay much attention towards this, and then you will be able to solve any of the questions. So let us quickly start with the question. So in a thermodynamic process, okay, can be a thermodynamic process, a system absorbs. Okay, so we have to pay attention towards this value, which is 2 calorie. Okay, 2 calorie of heat means 2 calorie of heat means a heat is absorbed. Okay, absorbed. So the absorbs is also very important here. So if it is absorbed, then we can say it as q value. This is the q value. Okay, so I will tell you like what q means and everything, but as of now, absorbs 2 calorie of heat means definitely it is a uh, q, we can say. Okay, fine. So let us next and at the same time does this much of work. So work done is this much, 800 joules is the amount of work which is done. Okay, you know now amount of heat absorbed, and you also know the work done on the system. Then definitely we can calculate the change in internal energy. So this is what they are asking, change in internal energy of the system. Okay, so this is what the main expectation is there. Okay, so what does this mean and all we will try to understand now. Okay, so from the thermodynamics you already know the this particular formula. So delta u is equal to q minus w. So let us quickly learn this. So delta u, what is this? Delta u is nothing but change in internal energy. So which is what they are asking now. So they are asking the change in internal energy. So change in internal energy is denoted by delta u, and heat added to the system means this is q. So q also, with the energy heat added to the system is nothing but q, and work done by the system is given by w. Okay, so these all are the different I mean the symbols representations. So now you already know heat absorbs means heat added to the system. Absorb means what? Heat is added to the system. That means 2 kilocalorie I can substitute in the place of q, and 800 joules is nothing but work done by the system. Okay, so and there are sign conventions also, work done by the system, so hence we have to take it as negative. So these all are there, so that you have to please be careful regarding that. Okay, so w is also known. And one more thing is, I am substituting now 2 kilocalories I am substituting. So this is 2 kilo means 10 power 3. So 2 into 10 power 3, and I am multiplying it by 4.2. Why I am multiplying by 4.2 is so 1 calorie is nothing but 4.184 joules, which is approximately 4.2 joules. So for 1 joule it is 4.2 calories. So if I want to convert this 2 kilocalories to this joules, because both should be in the same unit, correct? So and change in internal energy is represented in terms of joules, so I have to keep this also in the same units. So this 2 kilo also I have to convert. So what I am doing is I am trying to convert this by multiplying it by 4.2. Why I am multiplying by 4.2? 1 calorie is nothing but 4.2 joules approximately. So 1 calorie is 4.2 joules. So for 2 kilocalories, how much it is means I have to multiply it by 4.2 and minus 800, and this is in terms of joules, and this is also in terms of joules now. So if you calculate, it will be 7600 joules is the answer. So this is the how we have to calculate the internal energy of the system. So this is very important. Okay, internal energy, how to calculate. So please try. This is the way we have to quickly solve the I mean the questions related to this. and sometimes the negative sign convention may also be there in the option, so that you have to take care. So if you immediately substitute with very less time, you will get the answer. Okay, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and which motivates me to conduct few more like sessions in this way to with the tips and tricks to solve the questions very quickly. Okay, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates, notifications. Have a nice day.